Good morning, everyone. I'm Menuka Lamichane from the Jex Barista Institute, and today I'm going to show how to do pourings and why we do the pourings. So, starting with the thing we're gonna need while doing a pouring or while making a V60. Of course, you're gonna need your filter paper, your V60 set, a grounded coffee beans, and the hot water, which is on the temperature around according to your coffee beans. So I'm gonna start with explaining how many pours are there and why we do those pours. So there are 3 pours I'm gonna do. Yes, there is many other recipe which do more pours or less pours than 3 pouring, but we are going to start with 3 pours. First I'm gonna do blooming, which is the first pour of our any dripper or drip coffee. So blooming, at this phase we're gonna put a little amount of water in our grounded coffee beans. Make sure every coffee beans are wet with the water, and it will release the carbon dioxide from the coffee and give your coffee or V60 a better flavors, a better taste. Then the second pour. With the second pour we're gonna add almost half of the amount we are going to pour in total. In this pour we are also going to go round and make sure every particles are wet, and we wait for the third pour. So while we have different pouring to make sure our grounded coffee bean in our filter is settled and giving us a best or balanced coffee. So if we pour everything at once we might get under or over extracted coffee. So let's start how to make the pourings. So I'm gonna start with deoxidizing my filter paper to remove filter scent from or paper scent from the filter. After I'm gonna throw the water in my server. It's okay. Then I'm gonna put my grounded coffee beans inside the dripper. Make sure you even it everywhere. Then we're gonna start our pours. I'm gonna start my time. In 7 seconds I'm gonna do my blooming. So I'm going to pour 50 ml from middle. Make sure reaching every particles of the coffee, grounded coffee beans. Then we wait for 30 seconds to let it bloom. After 30 seconds I'm gonna pour my second pour, where I'm gonna put 150 ml of water. Again making sure that every particle of my coffee is wet. Then we wait for 1 minute and go for the last pour, which I'm gonna pour 300 ml. I'm gonna start from outside now, since the 2 first pour I start with the middle. Now I come from outside to the middle to let the all ground be settled. Then we wait for our total time, which is around 2 to 3 minutes, and our coffee will be ready. Thank you everyone for taking interest in Jex Barista Institute. I hope not only in video, I got to meet you in real life. Bye bye, thank you.